Hello guys, I'm Satyajit Singh in my channel Let's Learn with Josh, and today I will tell you a very interesting thing about PowerPoint 2007. Most of you would think that we should take PowerPoint 2016, right? PowerPoint 2007 is so boring, right? But there is two interesting factors that I will tell you today, and you will be shocked to see. So first will be our design. So many of you will probably choose these designs, right? But here is an option here. Background tab is an option of this. Format background dialog box. I will click on it and there is dialog box. There are four options: hide background graphics, pictures or text fill, gradient fill, or solid fill. In solid fill, we can choose a color to fill our theme. It doesn't look very good. Gradient fill is a little bit more interesting, like we have the present colors. We can pick a rainbow, we can pick nightfall. Nightfall is more good, and we can change this direction, like we have to put this purple color anywhere else. We'll click on direction, and this is up, and linear we can do it rectangular. Yep. So it is more nice. The stop position we can also change. Yep. And the transparency. Yeah, it is very nice. And the most interesting part is the picture or texture. In texture, you can create any texture like this, yep, or you can create this, whatever. And there's a very interesting option here, guys. Insert from file. I'll click on this, and I can pick multiple pictures. Where's my pictures? One minute, guys. Yeah, sample pictures, and I'll click this lighthouse. I'll click insert and see what a background we boom is a very nice background. And the second and most important hathiyar you can say is this. Like we can write some text like hi, I am Satyajit, right? It is very I choose color to red. Yep, now it is visible. So I'm seeing that, like when I select this, go to animation and custom animation. Most of you would think that custom animation we don't know how to use it. Everybody will be eager to know this. What is the use of this custom animation? So I'll tell you in today's video. Click on it, and we can do it in very doesn't mean like entrance bounce. See, it is bouncing. We have to do like dissolving. So right, we can also do like emphasis, like blink. And we can also do exit one, like fade in zoom. And the most important thing, my favorite, is motion paths. We can draw our custom path scribble, like we can put this. Ooh, wow, 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 wow. That was a really fun one, right? So I made the two presentations. I'll show you. See, this and see this one. Where is my, yeah, ball bounces at home. I make it myself. Yep, it is open. So this is the ball, and you will see it. What happens? It is bouncing. But how is it? Due to custom animation. Like I drawed my custom path, which was this. It will first fall here and then here. So you can do it. A very good one. And I have made a very good one, that Tiger one. I'll show you. Where is it? There's so many things in my info. Where is it? I can find it. Yeah, here is it. Yeah, this is a very interesting one. Boom. See? It is moving. See what animation. So I have done this by using only custom. Okay. So you can also use it. These are my two very grateful weapons or hathiyar. And one more thing, like you do the new, so this appears, and you can take the installed templates like classic photo album, introducing PowerPoint 2007, like this. My favorite was that one. Is it? Yeah, yeah. Ha, this one. Quiz show. I look at its animation. Hmm, hmm, reflection. The sun is a star. True or false? Please tell me. Write in the comment box. Is it true or false? It will show. See, it glowed. It glowed. What's the name of our galaxy? Please write in the comment. The Milky Way galaxy. Wow. How many planets in the solar system have rings? The answer is 4 planets. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune all have rings. So you're seeing this animation. See, 1 minute. What is this? What is iner inertia? Well, I have not heard about it. Let's see what is the answer. Uh, Resistance to motion or change. Alright, I'm in 6th class. Doesn't matter. Mass device to what it measures for home. Please write this in the comment box. See, first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. So cool. So you can also do this. These are my 3 weapons. Well, I had prepared 2. This one came into my mind. So I tell you. So if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell icon to all and don't forget to like this video. And if you want to see more videos like this, please, I'm saying you have to subscribe. So, Tata, goodbye. Come, let's learn with Josh, and I'll meet you in the next video with more cool things. Bye.